what's up, guys? We got a brand new Silverado. We did the black view. Everything is nice and neat. You don't see no wires anywhere. Okay, that's the back glass. Okay, this is how we like it. If you order, anybody who have bought dash cams, you live in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, we are installers. We've been doing these dash cams forever. We do alarms, GPS, well, you know our deal. But yeah, dash cams is something we've been doing a lot lately. In the past 4 or 5 years, it's been escalating. A lot of people have them in the vehicle, which I recommend it. If you decide to get any brand, make sure that you get one that hooks up to the app on the phone. You definitely don't want to be removing an SD card and the scene of an accident and have to upload a video later on, because you know you don't want to get you don't want the cop to issue you the ticket. So yeah, get the one with the app so you can show right away that you're not at fault of the accident. And then you give us a call, we come out and then we install it for you. You don't see no wires going down hooked up to a cigarette lighter or anything. I do get the hardwire kits, and I keep them on stock for those folks that don't buy the hardwire kit that they forgot. A lot of the cameras come with it, but some cameras you have to buy them separate. Yeah, anytime that you need an installation on these dash cams, give us a call. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. This is the Blackview 752 channel. Okay, no wires are shown. That's how you have to have it, to make it look like it came with the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video.